Hey, stop scrolling. Just listen to this for a second. Most people don't lose in life because they're weak. They lose because they give up too soon. You wake up tired, same routine, same pressure, and slowly, quietly, you start thinking, "Shayad meri life aisi hi hogi." But hear this clearly, that pain you feel, it's not telling you to stop, it's telling you to change. Every successful person you admire, they were once broke, confused, ignored, and doubted by everyone. The real difference? They didn't wait to feel ready. They moved, even when they were scared. One small step, one bold decision, one day where you don't quit. Your future is watching you right now. What you do next changes everything.